Are they gonna like this video, Fig? Are they gonna comment, like, and subscribe and watch all our videos? That's all she ever wanted. Can you say no to this face? Don't do it for me. Do it for her. Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making some peanut butter blossoms. They are a really easy and delicious cookie that come together really quickly, first of all, and most people are going to like these cookies. It's like in the same category as chocolate chip cookies. You know, it's like you can't say no to these. They're very simple to make, they're very delicious, and they're also really cute. We're gonna do some little cute things with them, like roll them in sugar and press a Hershey kiss in the middle, and then it gets all cracked and pretty and so impressive, but no effort, low effort, okay, a little bit of effort. Okay, so not that many ingredients, really simple. We have all-purpose flour, an egg, peanut butter, milk, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and Hershey's Kisses. Peanut butter get started then. Come on. Real simple. First, we gotta start with our room temperature butter. Okay, right in there. Okay. And we're gonna take our other butter, that peanut butter. I don't know if I'm saying it that way. Our granulated sugar and brown sugar. Okay, mix them until nice and creamy. Now we're gonna add our egg, milk, and vanilla. Okay. Now we can add the dry ingredients. I'm just gonna put my baking soda and salt. Oh, the salt didn't go in. Salt is very important to put in your desserts because it actually balances all the sweetness out and you can taste the individual flavors better with that salt. Okay. You know, just mix them together a little. No big deal. And just gonna add the flour little by little. There. That's good. Okay, so this dough isn't too soft, but we're gonna wanna cool it a little bit. But first I'm gonna roll them into balls and then throw them in the freezer for a little, and then we'll bake them. Makes things a little easier. So we have our lined baking sheet. I lined it with some parchment paper. I'm also just gonna spray it too. Never enough nonstick helpers. Okay, just gonna take a cookie scooper first. You know what I'm gonna do? It's gonna be a word. I don't know if it's cool. I'm gonna spray my hands with some oil. So rolling the cookies into balls is so much easier. Okay, so we're gonna put these in the freezer for about 15 minutes. I'll check on them just until they're firm enough so that they don't spread too much in the oven. And while they're cooling, I'll preheat my oven to 375 degrees. I'll unwrap some of these Hershey Kisses. What else can I do? And just clean up a little. So by the time everything comes together, you know, you're always doing something. Off to the freezer. Okay, so now they're all cooled, a little bit firmer. And before I put them in the oven, this is optional, but I'm gonna roll them in sugar because especially if you're gonna give these cookies as a gift or share them with a loved one as a little surprise, it makes all the difference because it just looks so cute and it really elevates the presentation of it. And also it's sugar, so it'll just taste better. So we already have our balls and we're just gonna roll them in to the sugar and put it back on the pan. Some sparkly sugar on top, glistening ever so beautifully. Where's my little fingies? I'm gonna put these in the oven for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out, press our Hershey Kisses in the middle of them, and put them back in for a few more minutes. So they're gonna go in the oven twice, 2 different times. So here's the first round. And we'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. I'm gonna take these cookies out and we're gonna press the Hershey Kisses in. Right in the middle. All right. Well, I got 2 trays here. So yeah, you wanna do this before they're fully baked so they're soft enough that you can press the Hershey Kisses in there. And then if you just take them in the middle and press them in, right? That little crack. And then they'll just bake right in there. So I also might want to do this depending on like how hot your kitchen is. After I unwrap these Hershey Kisses, I put them in the fridge just so that they don't melt, so they get all melty. And that worked just fine. Looks good. Okay, so now we're just gonna pop them back in the oven for like 2 to 3 minutes. Just so that these guys bake right in there and they just cook a tiny bit more. All right, and that's it. All right, so we took them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes, and they look so beautiful, so cute. Let me see, show you a cute one. Look at that. You got your little crack on top, the little Hershey Kiss in the middle, this sparkling, glistening sugar, and it feels really soft. Yeah, it looks really pretty. I feel like it's gonna be delicious. It kind of reminds me of like, it's a similar dough to a chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so let me try this. Ooh, wow. Try it without the chocolate at first. Mmm. Mmm. This is really good texture. Mmm. It's nice and soft in the middle. And then the top part's kind of a little bit crunchy, but it melts in your mouth in the middle. It's such a good peanut butter cookie. And now I gotta try the chocolate part. Kind of hard to do. Mmm. It's soft. I was expecting to bite into like a regular Hershey Kiss, but since they've been in the oven, it just melts right in your mouth. This is such a good cookie. This is a really nice gift to give someone that you love. Anybody would be so happy to get a cookie like this. This is such a sweet treat in the heart, and there's sugar in it and on it. Hold on now. Actually, one of the best cookies ever. It is, like I said, I feel like it could be in the category of classics with chocolate chip cookies. This is such a good cookie. And it was really, really easy to make. Here's my peanut butter blossom, right over here. You like it, right, Faith? Oh, I love when I get puppy hugs. Okay, well, I had a lot of fun making these cookies, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment, like, subscribe. Remember to hit the notifications bell for the next video, and we can make something simple, yummy, and most importantly, to put a smile on our faces, because that's what baking does for me, and especially these cookies though. These are smile-inducing cookies.